থাকলে এখানে আসতে হবে, মন আছে,
এটা
ভালো লাগে।
তুমি গাড়ি কাঢ়িব কি কাঢ়িব গাড়ি কাঢ়ো গাড়ি আচ্ছা আমাদের আমাদের এটা লোকাল পোশাক এটা আপনি খাবেন এটা ক্ষীর প্রসাদ তৈরি হয়েছে এখানে
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, যেটা লাগে না, হ্যাঁ ক্ষীরাপুর ক্ষীরা আপনি বানিয়েছেন। আচ্ছা 1 ঘন্টা রেখেছেন। আচ্ছা বলছি আপনি বানিয়েছেন?
না আমি 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 বসেছিলাম এই স্ত্রী বানিয়েছে
অনেক ভক্ত এখানে। Nice to see so many devotees, Vaishnavi, getting Matya, Gurudevendra Maharaj, other Acharya. We are fortunate to be here, doing, serving Gopal, you, the guidance of Maharaj, and we are fortunate, I think. We are blessed. I also like here. I came here many times
yes
before.
inauguration time also.
Inauguration time I was there with Shodandra Maharaj, Puri King of Puri, and ISKCON leader was here in that park. In that, so thank you very much for your hospitality.
No, Maharaj, this is our seva.
Your loving service.
You are allowing us to do seva, Maharaj.
And I can't do anything except whatever I can remember. I am getting old, and maybe almost already 84, so I can't remember much. But whatever I remember, I just tell you what Prabhupada said.
That is
This much can I can serve.
This is important.
I like Maharaj, his life and teachings. Very good. High standard. I cannot maintain that. But I try to follow at least first Prabhupada. I wish I can. But I heard from Prabhupada that you should be living like this. What I saw Gurudevendra Maharaj living. Some few others there, Radha Guru Maharaj. So thanks very much. Hope to see you.
Yeah.